kids, so we are going to make a watermelon steak. The first thing what we are going to have to do, we heat up the grillet because this has to be very hot, and this goes all very quick. So what I'm going to do, I told you I'm going to make a watermelon steak, right? Okay, so you want to cut it, and it should be very even, and I already messed this up, so let's try this again. Okay, I'm not the best watermelon steak cutter. Okay, we got it. I'm going to save this for later. Then, here's pepper inside. And I'm going to crush it. So the only ingredients are the watermelon, salt, lemon or lime, and pepper. Let's crush that. Not sure if this is enough. Oh, and you also have some red pepper, right? The chili pepper. Yeah, so I would need that. Oh yeah, there's some more. Okay, so I'm going to salt it. Dun, dun, dun. Pepper. So I'm going to put on one side the black pepper, on the other side I'm going to put the crushed red pepper, the other red pepper. And then I'm going to squeeze some lime juice over that. Good that this lime is very dry. Okay, then I'm going to rub it in. La 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 la. I'm going to turn it around. Get salt. I'm going to use some red crushed pepper. You can put a lot, you know, it's tasty when it's spicy. And then again. Okay, that looks better. So all over. Maybe a little bit more salt. Okay. Now this whole thing goes on the grillet. Ups, ups, ups. That's a cat feeding right on time. Dinner is going to be ready soon. First the cats, of course. And what do we have here in the oven? You want to check that out too? Some baked potatoes in aluminum foil, and this is some chicken with soy sauce, also some lime, garlic, and brown pepper, very important. Okay, so I think this is all going to be ready in 5 minutes. The watermelon needs about, I would say, 5 to 10 minutes. You just have to check it, you know, how roasted you want to have to be it, because you know all those little stripes from the grillet will show on that beautiful watermelon. Okay, so 5 more minutes and then it's going to be ready. Oh, what I can do here is I want to take a little bit of the sauce what's in here and put it over the chicken. Oh yeah, that would be great. Oh, it's hot. Ah, hot. Okay. So the watermelon steak is ready. So let's see how it looks on the other side. Hot. Nice. I will flip it. Ah! careful. Also be careful with the aluminum, you don't want to eat it. So just take it a little bit off.
You hear that, Chloe?
Don't eat aluminum foil. Yeah. There's a little piece. We don't want this. And then we put some sour cream over that. So this is basically sour cream, mayonnaise, parsley, garlic. And I do like it a lot. Bon appetit.
Perseus, you want some food?
No, this is not for Perseus. Perseus is over there. Check him out.
No, he's seen the camera. You want some food, Bud? Yeah, he wants some food too.
Bon appetit. Let's eat. Phoebe, you also get watermelons. Thank you. You have to try it. It's delicious. Yeah, we are going to put all the lemons now in the compost. Do you want to check out the compost? There's a lobster inside too. Oh no, we have to take this off. Shit. So what we're having here inside is a lot of greens and all kitchen scratches. Peel. Wow, it's going to be a warm farm. It's going to be very good.